Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We are going to be picking cards for your career situation first. So these are for your career situation, guys, and we'll be picking more cards for your relationship. Gemini, today you are doing a good work in your career. You have new responsibilities in your situation, and maybe for some of you, you may be promoted, getting promotion today, making some good investments for future plans, maybe for yourself or your family today, Gemini. I'll be picking more cards for your relationship, guys, and we will start the reading. So these are for your relationship, Gemini. 3 cards from this deck. So let's start with the reading, guys. What these cards say. Strength. 3 of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. So with these cards for your career situation, Gemini, you have that courage and determination in your situation. You know what you need to do today, and you are moving towards success. You have that responsibilities and courage. Whatever that situation demands, you do it with that endurance and strength, and people rely on you for your help, or there are people helping you today in your career. You have a good team you work with, and you are really practical, humble. You know what is the right choice, and you are having that clarity what you need to do, and you are a very trustworthy, reliable person, and in your work you are having that you are a person of perfection. So you take care of the minute details, and you are fearless to take up any path to reach success. So that may be the reason that you are tasting success today with your teamwork and with that strength and confidence that you have in your situation today. You have that clarity in your actions today, and maybe for some of you, you may get that promotion, and or you may get that promotion, take up a new job, maybe as a team leader, someone with much more responsibility, and you have that unshakable resolve in any circumstance, and you have that endurance to see it through, see till the end, and those certain circumstances may not go according to your expectations. You are not manipulated by that circumstance, or you are controlling those impulses and having that harmony and balance, calm composure in your work situation, Gemini. That is what I see with these cards for your career. That may be the reason that you are able to progress towards that positivity and success, prosperity in your career, guys. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship. And in your relationship, guys, you are thinking about your future, thinking about this person, what you need to do. For your cards, guys, 8 of Water, 8 of Air, and Queen of Fire. So with these cards in your situation today, this may be what you feel about this person, or what they feel about you. yourself and your person, you have a strong friendship, and you feel inspired and confident when you are with this person, because this person inspires you and they encourage you whatever actions that you take up in life, or any path that you take up for yourself. So they act as a great inspiration for you, and you both are dedicated to each other. You have that devotion to each other, and this person helps you in whatever way they can, and you are able to see things clearly, guys. Maybe for some of you, you have your past memories or past hurts blocking your vision, but today I see that you are healing from all that, and you are clearing that illusions that you have, maybe based on your past memories or something clouding your vision. So you have that honesty in your heart. You want to dedicate yourself to this person, and you are trying to clear all that illusions you have about this connection, and you have that strength and courage to face whatever comes in this connection for that love you have with this person, guys. And in this relationship, you have a deep bond and understanding with this person, way you relate to each other, way you respect each other, and you both have that respect for each other's dreams and goals and achievements, guys. And in this relationship, you are learning so much about each other. You are discovering that beautiful characteristics you both have, and you are really happy for it. And with this person, maybe certain things may not be working, but you are willing to let all that go, willing to let those things go, whatever is not working in this connection, trying to understand, trying to have that deep connection based on that true love, or you are willing to show your authentic self to this person. So that may be the reason I see that you are able to work or find that deep bond with this person, guys. And this relationship is moving in a very positive way, guys. You are giving up that superficial things, maybe that physical attraction, or that your status, or whatever attraction you had on the surface, and you're moving towards that deeper meaning of this connection, that love, that deep bond, and that strength you both give each other. And this, you are trying to build this relationship on love and that understanding, respect, and caring for each other. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.